In this video, we're going to look at the File Analysis and Repair tool built into GrabCAD Print. I've brought in my screwdriver assembly file, and looking in the project window, I notice that one of my bodies has a red exclamation point next to it, indicating that it has an error. Also, if we look at the right side, my Analysis Mode tab has also highlighted red, indicating that there's at least one error detected on the build tray. If I click on the analysis mode, the body that has no errors present is highlighted green, and the one that does have a detected error is highlighted red. Let's start by clicking on the Get Error Details. If we zoom in on the affected body, you'll notice that some of the triangles have been highlighted pink. This is indicating that self-intersections are present on this particular body. GrabCAD is also able to detect and repair open faces and inverted normals. So let's go ahead and run the repair right now. GrabCAD was able to resolve the self-intersections without needing a secondary program. If we go back to our main view, we notice that the red exclamation point is gone, and our Analysis Mode tab has turned back to black, indicating that there are no errors present on my current build tray.